8 Secrets to Quitting Your 9 to 5 for a Laptop Lifestyle. Welcome to the era of digital nomads, where the world is your office. You're about to discover the 8 secrets to bidding farewell to your 9 to 5 job and embracing the laptop lifestyle. The first secret is about mindset. Believe in your ability to break free from the traditional work setup. It's possible, and it starts with you. Next, identify your skills. What are you good at? What service can you offer to the online community? Use these as your starting point. The third secret is to invest in learning. The digital world is fast-paced. Keep up with the trends and enhance your skills. Education is the foundation of your digital career. Fourthly, create a business plan. Identify your target market, set your goals, and lay out your strategies. This will serve as your blueprint in your digital journey. Fifth, build a strong online presence. Create a professional website, start a blog, and be active on social media. Your online visibility will attract potential clients. The sixth secret is to network. Connect with like-minded individuals. They can provide valuable insights, potential collaborations, and even job opportunities. Seventh, develop a working schedule. While the laptop lifestyle offers flexibility, discipline is key. Set your working hours and stick to them. Lastly, take care of your well-being. Working online can be stressful. Ensure you take breaks, maintain a healthy diet, and exercise regularly. These secrets are your guide to quitting your 9 to 5 job. Remember, the laptop lifestyle is not just about work, it's about achieving work-life balance and living life on your own terms. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on financial freedom and passive income. Link in the description.